Hey everyone, Chrissy here and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if it's your first time, welcome. I'm glad you're here. So today I made this card because we are happy to celebrate Ardyth's 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is pretty amazing. So make sure when you're done with this video, you comment and then you hop on to the next person. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. So I am using some Thermal Web supplies today. What I did is I wanted to create kind of like a fun, bright birthday card. So I used the toner sheets and then I just put the foil on top of it and ran it through my laminator. So the foil basically works with the toner, and then the toner holds onto the foil so it peels off. So not only do you have an awesome foily design on your toner sheet, you have the reverse left over that you can use it again in the future. And then I used this really cute set from Waffle Flower, and I wanted to stamp it and color it, and then I also wanted to go ahead and add some foil onto the image. So the way that I do that is I just used my adhesive pen. It's my Deco-Foil adhesive pen. So I just did it in like a few little places. I didn't want the whole thing to be foily, so I put it like on the unicorn horn and some spots on the wings. And so you can see it there, and all I did was I just pressed it on there as soon as it's dry, and then you peel it off, and boom, it's done. It's perfect. So, and then I just assembled the card. I did some light coloring on the card as well that I kind of did off camera because I just used colored pencils. It was nothing fancy. And then I realized that I totally forgot to put a sentiment on the card. So I went ahead and I lined that up, and then you can see the first time it didn't really stamp. So then I just pressed it down. That is the beauty of a Misty. And then I just used some 3D foam to go ahead and assemble the card. So I kept this guy short and sweet for you because I know you have a lot of hopping to do today and a lot of commenting. So thanks so much for stopping by. Here's a list of all of our amazing sponsors, so please check them out and have a great day.